To enter the market of Baltic countries, our company planned to start the production of medicine for colds in powder. In order to increase production, it was necessary to buy a new, modern granulator, which would provide the output of the powder not less than 60 kilograms per day. Pelletizing powders is a technological process in pharmaceutical drug production. There are two main needs for pelletizing, where pellets are the final product, or pelletizing improves the flowability of the powder in the manufacturing process. To us, pelletizing was the end product for the production of cold medicine. The choice of a peltizer was entrusted to me. I wanted to complete the task as quickly as possible so that I could work on another problem that unexpectedly arose in the pill powder production area. A breakdown of this equipment meant a work stoppage in the entire site, which I could not allow to happen. So I started looking for a peltizer, and I thought I would find the necessary equipment right away. First, I compared peltizer manufacturers in Europe and China. I conducted my search via the internet. I chose by location, delivery time, and price category. Among the quality manufacturers in Europe, I found 3 companies that offered good machines, but asked for a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen peltizer, and would send me to search again, because of the high cost. Then I looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of purchasing a peltizer on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China, 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. Of great importance in choosing a specialist was the length of time they had been working in the market for the supply of pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of the prices. First I called a Chinese mediator. His price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the website of a Russian company from Krasnoyarsk more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and tableware from China. I checked the website of the company. I liked it, modern, structured, lots of videos. I phoned the manager and got a good consultation on the classifications and types of granulators. The specialist selected the equipment for pelletizing powders according to my requirements, and sent me detailed instructions by email, where I could study the capabilities and characteristics of the machine. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery conditions and price, and a week later we made a contract for the delivery of the selected machine. The machine was delivered within a month after the contract was signed, and we were able to quickly set up and run the production of the product for the treatment of colds. The equipment was made of quality stainless steel. There is a funnel for loading the raw material, and a metal container for unloading the finished product. Management of the pelleting process is simple. Push button with a demonstration of the performance of the equipment on the display. I'd like to mention that I told the manager about a problem with a machine breakdown in the adjacent area. He referred me to a good installer and repairer that we already worked with, and were very satisfied with the results. I realized that I made the right choice of a professional to supply the equipment. Real professionals pay attention to detail, and I was lucky to find such a person when choosing equipment.